Hi! Today we are building the Serenity Bridal Bouquet from Sola wood flowers. So the first you're going to do is to take your flower and put a little dot of glue on the back, take the stem, and stick it right into the back of the flower. If you are using a pot, you can dip your stem into the glue and paste it into the back of the flower.
Sometime soon this moment will be just another warm summer breeze that passes by.
Then you start building your bouquet. You could begin with the bigger flowers and then start to add smaller ones. Once you have the shape of your bouquet ready, you can cut a piece of tape and start wrapping up your stems. Now you can add some filler. You can spread it out any way you want it to. You can even cut shorter chunks of filler if you want to. That's totally up to you.
You know, lately I've been thinking back to the old days. Summer passed us without a care in the world, and each day felt like a lifetime. Sometimes in life, we forget those moments don't last forever. Back in the old days, we took them for granted.
Now, you would start to cut the stems of your flower. I recommend you to always cut long. You add some more tape just to make sure your bouquet is steady and firm. Once you like the length of your bouquet, you can start wrapping the twine around it. You put a little bit of glue on the tape, you let it dry, and then you wrap your stems. Just make sure to cover all of your tape. Now that you have it all wrapped, you're going to glue the tail of your twine. And there you have it, your Serenity Bridal Bouquet from Sola wood flowers.